guys, we're back with some more Pokemon Bronze playthrough. Alright, so if you save the ding, I'll show you how to save. So we click the continue button if you saved it. I'll show you how to save it. So you see the menu in the screen, not your Pokemon. We're not talking about our Pokemon now. So you see this. You see the save button. It asks you, would you like to save the game? You say yes. So guys, always save your game because yeah, you see here it comes. Okay, here comes this first trainer. Bugs are the most interesting Pokemon. Really? Bugs are not interesting for me, guys. Okay, a warm bull. Alright, Rowlet. Use leave. I don't know. Not very effective, that's stupid. You avoided attack. Rowlet avoided attack. Use take. Circle again. XP. Bugcatcher sends out a worm. Use take. Alright, they're weak. Very weak. Speed though. Bye, Wumble. Okay, my bugs are not good for that. Okay, the Pokemon, when you walk out into the grass, Pokemon comes out. Alright, Relic, come back. So, you battle this trainer, and then you have to go this way. Okay. Oh my goodness. Let's skip this battle. You can see for yourself. I just love Pokemon. They're so cute. Guys, we're going to skip this battle because you'll see the battle when you play it for your first time. Alright, we're done Pokemon battling. Banana! I got here as fast as I could. Something terrible has happened. I need you to come back. No time to explain. Let's go. Banana, I'm so glad you are safe. I'm so sorry to be the one to tell you this, Banana, but your parents have been started their home in the short time you have been gone. Not much is yet, but it is estimated that they were taken by a group of people known as Team Eclipse. You see, Team Eclipse is origin people who have a unique perspective on people and Pokemon. They believe that people and Pokemon are not in harmony with one another, and they have interesting ideas for how to solve this problem. They are also dangerous and not to be tolerated. They seem to do whatever it takes to accomplish their goals. I do not know what they want with your parents, but I expect it is something to do their skills as a echologist. Sorry. Your parents are familiar with Pokemon of Legend and Aurora. Whatever Team Eclipse is after, I'm sure they are getting very close to achieving it. Now tell me, Banana, did your parents say anything about their work when you saw them this morning? How? So your parents gave you that necklace area. That's interesting. Anyways, it's not safe for now. Banana, I think it's time for him to leave town. Chestnut Town is a good place to set. She just passed around. Be careful looking for trouble. guys, we have to walk past you. Oh my goodness. Okay. So you walk here, and you walk over here, and then you go here. Guys, you can talk to this lady if you want, or this guy, or anyone else in there. I don't want to talk to them because it wastes time. Chestnut Town. So, this girl, right here, is like, hey, over there. Here, you look like a brand new trainer. This must be your first time traveling alone. I see. Your parents have been abandoned by Team Eclipse. That's terrible. Some information of Team Eclipse might be available. Follow me to my home where we can discuss it privately. Alright. Moving ourselves. Your parents were taken by Team Eclipse? Gosh, that would be awful. And then you bet you must miss them. Oh, so they gave you that necklace before they were taken? Do you mind if I see it? Thanks, necklace. This necklace looks old. Available. Thanks. Hey! So guys, basically, this girl stole your necklace. Hey there. You are a bit, who is that person who just took off and ran over here? Wait, what? She took your necklace that your parents gave you? That was the last thing your parents gave you, but they disappeared. We have to go after her and get her that back. I saw her running into the woods just outside of town. Quick, follow me, I'll lead you there. Alright, Jake. Alright, so she is somewhere here. True. Oh my goodness, my thing froze. So you have to battle those trainers. Whoops, I have to. So guys, I'll come back. You can battle those trainers if you like to train your Pokemon. So I'll be back from training my Pokemon. So, there she is. You talk to her. Well, darn, looks like you caught up to me. It's my fault for running into this dead end. The bridge was under construction. So, hiding here was my only opinion. So, you want this necklace back? Huh? Well, too bad. Team Eclipse doesn't return what they earn. That's right, kid. I'm the mentor of Team Eclipse. The only way I let you have your necklace, your precious necklace back, is if you beat me in a Pokemon battle. But let's face it, you are just a fresh new trainer. There's no way you can beat me. Beaten by a kid. Ugh. What? How could this happen? Oh, this isn't really good. The boss is going to be so disappointed of me. Fine, here, take your necklace back. Team Echoes will be back for it, though. We always get what we want. Good job getting your necklace back. She was one of those Team Echoes people. I wonder what their problem is. Anyways, it's clear that you can't really trust anyone to find your parents for you right now. If Team Echoes really did take them, you will need a strong team of Pokemon to beat them. A great way to strengthen your Pokemon is to battle the gym leaders in Rora. There are 8 gym leaders in Rora, and who knows, maybe while traveling you will learn more information on what might have happened to your parents. Anyways, there is a gym in the next town over. I suggest we start here. Don't worry, but now we'll get your parents back. Now let's go. Alright. Okay, guys. Really? So, you see this? See this thing? This is where you buy your stuff here, and this is where you heal Pokemon. You talk to this girl. Her name is Nurse Joy. Hello, welcome to Pokemon Center. Would you like to heal? Yes. Da-da-na. That means thank you for waiting. Oh. Yeah. Alright, let's go continue on. See that bridge right there? This is row 2. Actually, yeah. Here. Row 2. So, yeah. You're gonna battle this girl. If you want to skip battling her, you can go like this. You can go like over her. If you like to. Let's go to the next page. So, there's no cutscenes. So, we have to battle this guy. Yeah. Have to battle this trainer, so you can skip this guy too. Oh boy. Okay, you can skip this girl right here. Gal. So you can skip this guy too, because I don't want to battle like too many people today. Yeah. Let's go up this down. We're going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship, flying through the skies. It's like Stein. Alright, so I'm going to show you where to like this. So this house, so how to get the Eevee, you have to go in this house and talk to this guy, but first you have to do this. Yeah, so you have to join this group to get Eevee. The join is pending, basically. It takes a long time to basically, yeah, join the group. So, yeah, that's how you get Eevee. So, if you join the group, and then you go back to Pokemon Bronze and talk to the guy with the red shirt that I told you, and ta-da, you got Eevee. This is the gym, guys. The first gym. Hey, slow down, you're around. So you're gonna read this when you do this, like you could actually read to play this game. So guys, you see this? You go like, you have to complete the dance thing. So yeah, I have to battle this guy to show you, but guys, it's time to end the video. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.